it's everybody's favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we ask ourselves, does this thing really work? And today we have two things. Today we are going to be in touch with our artistic side. I found these things. They were recommended to me on Amazon. You know what? I think I was looking for fun paint stuff to potentially use for the Wreck-It Wednesday journal. These things are called Paint Pops, a new way to paint. You don't say. Because look at these, okay? I think I was most intrigued by the yellow ones because they look like egg yolks. I bought two sets. I had to have the mini set and the deluxe set because this one, you guys, I think it comes with like a dome and you splat. You know what? Let's open it up. Let's see what we get because you guys, look at this thing that they show on the packaging here. It's like some kind of spiky thing that you roll around. I don't think that was included. Anyway, let's get into our deluxe pop paint set. Get out. I got nothing. Also, you guys, Kermit is back. Long Kermit. He has no arms, but he does have little feet and a spine. Oh, he's left us now. Come on back, little buddy. There you go. It's been forever since I filmed a video in here sitting in a chair. Also, I hope that they gave us paper because I came here to the art class with no paper. We get string. It doesn't look like you get that many though. That's like 5 pods. So we get pink, orange, green. What are the other colors we get? Yellow, of course. These also oddly look pink. I guess maybe that's meant to be red. And then what do we get? You guys, I'm like losing my voice today. Oh, blue or purple? Oh my God. Yeah. I almost said it looks like a toothbrush for horses. In one bag, it looks like we get these interesting roller items. We can roll through the paint. Yes, look at that. It's like a kind of squishy substance also. And we get these things, plungers or something. The clips and the twine is to hang up your artwork if you want to do that to help it dry faster. Then we have a single popping tube, a double popping chamber. These little clip things in here, you can put inside this splat dome to make the paint like pop out in different shapes. Why was I even gonna try and explain this? I feel like it's just something I have to show you guys as we go along. So let's start to open our egg paints. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my God. Now, am I supposed to be touching these with my human hands? I don't know. Probably not. But we're gonna do it anyway. It's so juicy. Let's open them. Ooh. Yum. I'm about to reach in and grab an egg. I feel like I need to like, now we can see the paper. Can you guys see the eggs? I have my safety goggles on. Oh my God. I'm petting the egg yolks down here. You know what it kind of reminds me of is Splat's soap. They were like these poppable soap things. They were kind of the same. Ew, look at that. Whoa. Kind of just want to go, you know, like, ah! Ew, look at the splat skin. Can you guys see that? It looks like mustard. These look kind of like those bath bead things that they used to make 1,000 years ago. Oh my God, was anyone alive during that time? Now's a good time to test. Where did it go? The roller, here we go. Although, is yellow really a color that you can like, I almost said, is yellow a color you can see? All right, you guys, whee! Ew, it's like, it definitely is more fun to do this roller thing through like a pile of paint because it looks almost like tire tracks. This is like, honestly, kind of therapeutic, you guys. I've really been going through, am I gonna say I'm going through a phase where I just feel like it's so fun to just be creative for creative's sake. You know, am I doing the craft properly? Maybe not. Am I doing the craft well? Not at all. is it like just kind of fun and liberating to just squish my hand in a bunch of paint? Guys, I have a very important Furby down here and I don't want him to get paint on him, so let's put him somewhere safe. Okay, what's a good color with yellow? Oh, I'm gonna try and just catch a falling star and put it in my pocket. I feel like I should be using one of the tools provided, one of the Splat tools, but you guys, once again, I've got an urge to just go like that, you know, because it's fun. It's fun for the whole family. Once again, I've got this little paint skin. Beautiful. I think it's time to explore the pony toothbrush. Oh, I kind of really went wild and wacky there. Pony toothbrush. Yes, look at that. Now let's just go like that. See, this is honestly not as fun to me. Like, we're making other textures. Wow. But there is like something fun, I feel like, about literally just, maybe don't mix blue and yellow together. But this is like relaxing, but it's not like as fun, you know, as like sticking your hand in a bunch of wet paint. So I definitely see why they give you the clothespins now, because oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this wet paint? It's high time for us to try and suck up a little paint thing. That's what you can do with this tube. If you leave this nozzle on here, you can just, you know, I think I want to suck up one of these pink ones. So you go like that, put it over one of the things, and oh my god, why was that so fun? I really thought that it was gonna pop in the process, because they do say you can mix 2 of the little paint pops in here, shake it all around, and, you know, like mix, like, clearly I don't know what 2 colors to mix. Blue and yellow, maybe? No? What do blue and yellow make? I feel like that should make something. Those shells, or like I keep calling it paint skin, I feel like that's just the right consistency, because obviously you can pop it, but it's not so fragile. Like, I was honestly concerned, like, were these gonna be able to ship to me in one single piece? So, oh my god, wait, can we, I'm hoping to like slow motion this or something, you guys, because I'm just gonna suck up another one. Oh, this is so exciting, you guys. Why do I love stuff like this? Let's suck up another one. I don't even know if the camera is like getting it all. We need to like zoom you guys in. I really want y'all to see. But now y'all can't see the bottle, maybe. I don't know. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, didn't do it right. Did not do that one right. Okay. Ah! I swear we're gonna pop it now. Ah! Well, obviously if I just go like that, it's just gonna do nothing, I guess. Yeah. Oh my god, why was I surprised by that? Ooh, okay, okay. Can I shoot it out again though? Where did that go? What 2 colors do I want to mix together? A pink one and a blue one. Why not? Okay. I can't allow myself to... Oh no, it popped in there now. You guys, that was kind of the point anyway. But I feel like I was supposed to put this thing inside of there. Like, you unscrew this once you pick them up. See, I feel like this is meant to be a mess-free activity. I just like making messes, so I make it a messy activity. So let me shake it together. The pink one. Ooh, there we go. See, I feel like I need like slow motion or something. Maybe on this camera. Ah, no, you can only see my hand moving really fast. We now have this really maybe yucky shade of purple. I'm gonna have to say 2 paint pops at once is like, ew! Oh, that just hit my mouth a little. That's not as much fun, I'm gonna be honest. It is so much more fun to just suck the paint up in the little paint pop things. That is a very pretty color of purple though, you know? So there's that. I also have to say the paint is like really, really thin. It has like a very watery consistency. So basically you just load a paint here and then you take this plunger and you like splat it down. So there are two shapes that I'm also gonna test out. This is supposed to splat the paint in a star pattern, and then this one is supposed to splat the paint in like a line. So let's get one of our beautiful alien eggs. See, I feel like in the deluxe set, I wish they would have given you another tube, like another bottle. Why can't I think of the name of that? All right, you guys, can y'all see full effect? Let's bloop, drop that in there. Let's take the plunger, and I'm kind of nervous to break this. This is not that sturdy, you guys. 3, 2, oh! Oh my God, you guys, that's like squishing a bug. Oh, might I recommend that you definitely like push this down? Why do I have anything valuable on the floor right now? So let's pick up our deflated paint skin down here. Now that's pretty impressive. Look at that, you guys. That is just totally squished. That was honestly fun. I really did not think I was gonna like that as much. I think that they're supposed to just clip onto the bottom here. The instructions are honestly a little unclear. Let's go ahead and get this one. Juicy. It's like an orange. You guys, I really enjoy this. I'm excited to see what the star shape is gonna be. Let's try and hold this down a little bit better as we plunge. And, oh my gosh, but I don't want my hand to like block everything. Okay. Woo! Look at that. It's like instantaneous fun. Let's get this little guy out of the way. Would we call that a star shape? I guess. I mean, there are 5 points on it. I guess you just have to use your imagination. So let's see what the line is gonna look like. I think I'm gonna do pink, and I'm kind of trying to go like that. Okay. Oh, you know what? No, we haven't done red. I guess this is gonna be red because honestly, that looks like neon pink. So, you know. All right, you guys, let's fish it out. That's honestly my favorite part. Plop. And now, let's go like that. And 3, 2, up. Okay. Woo! Look at that. Oh my God. You guys, the dome is so messy. The splat thing, it honestly shoots paint everywhere, as I'm sure you guys have seen. Honestly, you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna test this one. I guess because it has this little thing. You're supposed to be able to do like a double splat thing, but it doesn't fit through here, like the little chamber. So that makes me really nervous because you guys, if I was just splatting this thing and I did not have this like dome, like paint flying, paint everywhere. Look, we can play Rorschach. What do you guys see? Nothing? I'm gonna maybe do a gentle splat because honestly, I kind of don't know. Look at that. There's no gentle splat, you guys, because I was thinking like, okay, well, maybe this kind of has its own little like protective ring around it in a way, because I thought maybe this was gonna make like at least light contact with the paper. No. And also, I don't understand this either because they say that this is like a cap or something, but like literally how? How does this work? Because that kind of has like no opening. You guys, instructions unclear. Here's the plunger. That's gonna just push the paint out. This does not fit on the bottom. It only fits inside, but this doesn't have any holes in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, how would that work? You guys, I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna do a tiny splat. And I'm gonna take a blue one and of course an orange one. I'm gonna make Dogman some beautiful art. Okay, also, how do you literally line it up? Because it's just kind of loose in there. I'm just gonna try like that. Yes, beautiful. And now let's just take the plunger and just do a gentle splat. Okay, no, I'm definitely missing something here. I'm gonna try like that. What happens? Oh my God, no. Oh, not impressive. What did I do here? Whatever it was wrong. Let's just go like that for a grand finale. Beautiful. Ooh, green? Is that what I've just done here? Need I say more? This is super fun, super relaxing. I also feel like it's pretty inexpensive, and I would almost tell you guys my favorite portion of this is sucking up the paint and like splatting it out just a little bit. Honestly, all I really need is the paintballs and a tube, and I feel like that would just be like relaxing for like at least 30 minutes. I definitely say, yes, these things do really work. 2 huge thumbs up, but in my opinion, it's more fun to just get these. And even if you wanted like more paints, I would just say, just get 2 kits of these. The splat thing is okay, but I do feel like maybe that's more of like an outdoor activity, because definitely it is controlled chaos at best. But here is my beautiful art, you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!